We have the front door right here, open concept closet, and we have some, what are those called? Robes, some nice looking robes. We turn, that light's kind of iffy. If you're not moving for a while, it'll turn off. But then we have the bathroom. We have a smart toilet. Different settings right there. And then we have, it's pretty bright, not like a mirror with the lights around it, but it's still bright. We have like these almost flush floors, but there's a little gap right there. Stonework, it looks like 2 heads. And here are amenities. The stone right here is pretty warm. That feels good. And then let's see, is there a hair dryer somewhere? Yeah, hair dryer right there. Looks to be a good quality one. And we're here into the room. We have a little corridor right here. And I believe there's a mini fridge right here. I don't know if there's anything in there, but we shall see. Nothing inside. Is there a coffee machine somewhere? Ice bucket. A hot kettle. And then this should be coffee and tea and whatnot. Here we come, and then here we have our small but cute room area. Good size TV. Nice bed. You can see the change in the floor material. That's the shower right there. Got lights around. A little seating area, like a leather style, upholstered stuff. And then we do have a view of Seoul Tower out there. Some other buildings. But yeah, this is the room.